Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to text someone or how to message someone on TikTok. So for that we have to go on our TikTok app. Then we have to go to me. And then we have to go to settings. Then go down to content and activity and tap on push notifications. So what we want to do is we have to enable this direct messages. So if someone wants to send a message to us, we will receive that message if we enable this. And if not, we will not be able to receive that message and they will not be able to send us a message. So we have to enable that. After that, let's go and try to text someone. I will go and text this user, Ali and John. This is an account of ours. As you can see, I don't have a message button, and that is because I am not following this person. So you have to click on follow, and then the button message appeared. So if we click on it, we are now able to send messages. Then if we go to inbox and click on that person that we messaged earlier, then click again on message, we are able to send them messages. And another very important thing is that if you are under 16 years old, you will not be able to send a text or receive a text. So if you want to change your age, you can check out our tutorial in which we are showing you how to change your age. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button and you can comment down below your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.